Oh, damn, I can't use my second monitor now. I'm over here. Does this thing have... I don't think this thing has HDMI. It's ancient Dell. But yeah, so I fixed my the staying chair. Got a new air pump cylinder or whatever gas cylinder thing. So now I'm finally in here. It's much more comfortable. Okay, so let's see. I kind of yesterday I kind of did some Blender learning, made a new level, and just to like learn how to make like just practice Blender a little bit. So I made like a canyon kind of a thing that's very low poly, and then see it should pop up here, and then a bunch of towers. Yeah, and of course I don't know how to do texturing yet. Actually, maybe I could just drag and drop them. Let's think about it. Let's try that. We don't need scenes. We need textures. Let's do light. Oh, I can't do it on that. Bridge. Frick. Do it here. Do it like that. Yeah. And then I click on it, and then I go. Wait, did that work? Here we go. I'm gonna do. Here. Is that working? I think so. Might be too light. Maybe we might switch it over to like something darker. Or maybe green might make sense. No idea what triplanar means, but wall. Okay, maybe what if I don't have triplanar? No idea. Okay. Save that. And so then here it should update. Yeah, green. And then these towers here. Just make it orange. Oh, maybe purple. Purple might be fun. And let's do this guy. Yeah. And then, yeah, much better. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not too proud of this. There's some funky wonky stuff going on. All right. So now, yeah. See how it plays. Oh yeah, got my controller here. Ugh. But yeah, so should yeah, so everything works. It's nice. I want to add a like debug info, like in the top, like a frame rate counter or something, just so that I have a reference for how this thing is actually working. Oh yeah, and I need to do camera colliders so that I didn't clip, camera doesn't clip underneath. Well, I gotta get rid of that. But yeah, so yeah, this is nice. Oh, it's it go under. I gotta drop that a little bit. But anyway, yeah, so this is just, yeah, temporary new level. I haven't put any enemies in it yet. Maybe I'll do that right now. First, I'm gonna audio player. No, I want to go to script. Oop. Is attacking. Just do that. Oop. And then we want to add in some enemies. Get here. Scenes. Enemy. Alright. Let's put some. Oh, I need to generate navigation meshes. Ugh. Oh, what the frick? How's this gonna work? Let's try it. So I gotta. Oh no. These aren't gonna be meshes. These are scenes. I don't know if this is gonna detect it as a mesh. Let's see. The navigation controller guy. The navigation region. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I need a new navigation region. Keep all these guys. Drop them in here. Set or create for this node. Oh, I gotta make a new one. Yeah, okay. That'll work. Okay. So now I need to drop some enemies in here. So let's put one there and one right there. And we're going to put one at the bottom so you have to fight them. And one right here to guard. And one on there. And then can we customize this guy? Because I'm like, wait, maybe we can make this guy like a boss. Can I scale him? That'd be pretty funny. Can I just make him bigger? No, that's probably a bad idea. Oh, did I not? I did. Have I not given these guys? Okay, good. They still have daggers. Okay. So this is a little more. Oh, maybe I should also add fall damage. I don't want that to be a thing. Let's just add more. Let's see if I can add one up here without being in range. So I can just move this guy over here. And I learned that page down drops the selected object to the floor. Awesome. And let's just rotate him a bit so the camera is facing the enemy. All right, and that should, we fixed that. It shouldn't mess with the controls. Okay. First of all, we gotta make sure the attack. Yeah, no attack thing. All right. One thing actually. In debug, I don't want to see a collision. Can I show paths? That'd be interesting. That'll be for the enemies. Oh, paths don't get shown. Okay. wow, this is looking a lot smoother without the collision shapes. This guy should have the same attack rate. Oh, I'm gonna take damage no matter what. The only thing I have is range. I can't do attack cancel. There we go. And sprint. Can I maybe jump? Oh, I almost died. Alright. So this is better. Progress, I guess. Oh, come on. Can't get over that lip. Oh, just barely. What? Why couldn't I go on up it before? Oh, it's like a certain geometry. Alright, let's go up here and let them kill me. Ugh. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Yeah, I don't know how to, because like I made like basically this box, and this was all just a big box, and I just added modifiers to make it look a little rocky. And so I'm guessing there was some connections I missed. Some maybe overlapping vertexes or something, vertices. And so that's why there's holes. Alright, this guy should. Oh, this is the boss guy. That can't hit me. Alright. Oh yeah, I need to add kill planes actually. Let's quickly do that. Isn't there? Can't you do? Resurgence. Oh, interesting. I thought you were able to like. The arrow keys maybe? Oh no. Like to move around is like first person. Well. Alright, so we want to put kill planes probably just around here. Maybe we could do an inverse kill plane. What I mean by that is instead of having areas and wait for them to enter, we wait for an area to exit. And so then we have an inside a play area, so that everywhere else, if you're not inside that area, you'll take down. Or I guess if you exit it, that's a kill plane, I guess. So killbox is probably more efficient. But okay, killbox. This GD, I need a nice up. Where is he? What is he doing up there? What is going on? Why can't I move it over there? Oh. What the hell was I doing? We want it to be on the X. Let's be 90. We want this to be 90 as well. Can't even see. Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. Can I like give that texture? Because I know it's invisible, but can I? Hmm. I would like the killbox to be a little bit more visible. I guess it would just be because like if I change it here, it's gonna change in the world one, and then we'll have to readjust it. So I'm thinking I want this to just be a 1 by 1 by 1, and then I'll just scale it. Okay, where the hell is this? You can give me a transform. I guess this guy. And then I can just scale them. And then I guess I'll have a. Can I get this? I guess I'll have to add a mesh that is only visible in here. I'm just surprised you can't. Defines the visibility range. It's only be visible if the visibility parent and all of its visibility inserts is hidden by. I don't think that's what we want. I think that's just like, yeah, just being visible based on the parent. Collision shape. We already looked here. Same deal. These are just shapes. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to also have a mesh that's transparent that is a child of this as well. Mesh instance, yeah. I want it to be a box, and I want it to have red. So I guess I need, uh-oh. Unreachable code, statement after return, function is attacking. Alright, I need my textures. Give me my red. Do that. Air geometry v1 triplanar. Yes, please. Visual instance. And that'll be visible though. I don't want this to be visible. Hmm. How do I make it? Hmm. I guess it'll be on ready kind of a thing. And this already has that, so I can just do a getting used to this setup. This keyboard right here. What was I doing? Frick. I already let's call this mesh. Done. Oh yeah. Okay, save that. So in here, first I'm gonna fix it here. Where's my killbox? Bring that down. What did I have it at? It was minus 10 is actually pretty good. And then scale, we want it to be what, like just we want this to be 100, right? I want this guy to be 100, right? What the hell? Why is it? Is it? Uh-oh, what's going on here? Use the size and children collision shapes instead. Oh, what the heck, man? I can't scale this? Frick. Oh, God. Damn it. So that's not going to work. That's really annoying. I don't want to have to make a new one for every single frickin' thing. How do I allow... Okay, here's another good question. Okay, so let's say I do export variables, right? So I do export... Guess we'll also need this. Collision. And then we have export size. Vector 3. That's going to be equal to... How the hell do I do this? Like, 1, 1, 1? Does that work? How do I set it to a vector? I just do that right? Huh? Oh, this is probably a used variable, right? Unexpected identifier. Class body. What? Let's do this. Oh, I have to do var. I'm dumb. So there we go. Size. Now, how can I have this apply during like inside the game instance? That is my question. How can I apply? Because like I don't want to just have to set this and guess that it's right, you know? Collision dot transform dot scale, right? It's a 3x4 matrix. So I guess we just return it's self-scaled. So because this is a property, this isn't. It's a transform 3D. Okay. So transform 3D, we just do that. So we do a transform 3D dot scaled. Ugh. Is there not a scaled? What? Am I misreading this dang thing? Transform 3D methods scaled. Not scaled. That works, right? No, it doesn't like that. Why don't you like that? Transform 3D is not declared in the current scope. Why? What does area 3D extend? If not node 3D? Right? Please tell me it's transform 3D is a Delta variant type. This. Oh, the transform is the transform 3D. Okay, okay, I understand. So then what I do is I take this, Control C, right? And then I go size, right? But I want this to be applied during. What the frick? That scared me. We want to do how to node properties. Let's do that. And then put here, and then go godot. Mm-hmm. Bruh. Or can I just wait a second? Can I just export the transform of the child? Can he export a property? Hmm. I don't know, man. It would be really nice to be able to, like, I guess, forward. The node in the scene can be exported as a node path. Do take note the node itself isn't being exported. There is one more step to call the true node. Bro. This looks close. Only exported properties can be changed. Do run inside the editor. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. As long as they don't execute game code or manually avoid doing so. For this, this must be placed at the top of the file. Interesting. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. Here we go. Okay. Just copy and paste this. Oh, I literally. Come on, man. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So, I want this. What's wrong? Oh, that's because it's reading spaces, not tab. Oh, what now? Cannot find member editor. Oh, because I gotta do tool. It's gotta be lowercase, of course. Did I misread something? Why isn't that working? Tool extend sprite. Why doesn't that work? Okay. Bruh. Can I just add a script? Bro. I don't. Do I have to do? Is it all caps? You're killing me. Can I make a new script? Do I have to like enable it? In project settings or something? Why doesn't this work? Or do I have to like do it somewhere else? It's not a keyword. Why isn't it a keyword? Don't run inside the inner. Must be placed at the top of the file. This is 3.3. I'm at 4.2. Aren't I? Oh, 2021. To add tool. You bozo. Oh. What's wrong here? I cannot find member editor hint in base engine. Why is it? Oh, this is 3.3. This is 2.4. Okay, let's go tool. That's why. Is editor hint. It's a function now. That's is underscore. There we go. Okay, so in here, go to 3D, click on this guy. I can do 100. And 100. It's not being applied. Bruh. Oh, the collision's changing, not the mesh. Frickin' hell. And we don't want to scale it. We don't want to frickin' scale it. I'm a frickin' bozo. That's not gonna work. Because, like, you scale this and it's not gonna work. You want size. So you want to access the frickin' shape. So we want... And we have to do that for the mesh instance too. Frickin' hell. So let's just worry about mesh. So let's do mesh dot shape. I guess mesh dot maybe size. Maybe property mesh. That's funny. Dot mesh dot size. Capitalized S here. Bruh. It's not working. Hmm. Come on. Mesh instance. Mesh. I don't see a size. Damn it. Doesn't work. This methods properties. I need a mesh instance. So this is the mesh instance. I need to be able to access the properties of, what is this This is just a property mesh, the mesh resource for the instance. How do I access these properties, man? Contains vertex by geometry divided into surfaces. Each surface contains a completely separate array. Properties. It doesn't have. This is so annoying, man. There's gotta be a better way. To how to access child. Twenty tool. Already sprite export texture. Bro. Few years ago. Yikes. What you might want to do is add an exported property to the root object. Get the frick out of here, dude. Sprite in the child. You use getters and setters to access the sprite set on the node child node. Does it? Do you know sprite? So we have an onReady variable, which, and then export texture. Oh, this is onReady, so this is just a reference. Sprite, set get, set sprite. Oh boy. Oh, I see, this is the set and get. All right, we'll try something like this. Okay, so we have the mesh reference. We need to export. What was it? All right, we're gonna have to. So, it's a hint of a texture, and we don't want a texture. We want a, I guess, a mesh. And it's going to be var mesh. So this should be underscore mesh. And this is going to be just all capitals, mesh, just to make it easier to see what the hell's going on. Our sprite. That's the name. Oh man. Oh, this is just wonderful, isn't it? All right. Forms. All right. Score. Okay. Next. Forget. Return. Uh. And here we just want to do oh wait, what's wrong with this? Oh, here. That. Struggle is real. That's a lot of. I have no idea. That's probably not what I want. Oh, I didn't want that. I want this. Oh, I can just do that right there. Okay. All right, so then, oh, so what I want to do is, oh, I lost it. Freaking. There we go. All right. So I need to type. I guess this is going to be a mesh. Capital, that's interesting. And then we do this. Do get set. All right. And what did I do here? This probably isn't gonna work. Oh, it still does. It still doesn't like it. Export at least MO0. Oh, MO0 arguments for 1 was given. Oh, at most 0, so it doesn't want that. Oh, oh. It's this one. We don't want this. We want underscore mesh dot mesh dot mesh. I think. That is not updating at all. Bruh. Wait a second. This export isn't showing up. Bro. I think the easiest way to do this is to do that, and then you can edit this from there. I'm just wondering. Swift is currently running in the editor. Yeah, sure. So this doesn't. I don't think this works. We need. to have access to the shape property. So what we need is this. Because we don't care. This doesn't actually have. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Okay. I don't know why it wasn't there before, but okay. Ah. But it's red. Here. That's because it's in the geometry instance. So if I here, not the size, yeah, size. It does not get affected. Okay, well I don't know what it's doing, so I don't know what this is. Um, right, we're not doing the collision, we're doing this. So for mesh dot mesh. Come on. Why isn't that showing up? This mesh should have this mesh, right? Property mesh in the mesh instance. I don't know why this isn't working. Because this is right there. So let's save this. Mesh. On. Wait, what? Why is this? What's this? What the frick is a skeleton? Bone hierarchy. Okay, that's not. Why isn't it showing it? It's a property right here. Property mesh of mesh instance 3D. And inside that mesh, we want the size. Okay. When a mesh has to be instantiated more than, yeah. Oh. Maybe maybe I can just get it. Can I do like mesh dot get? Get underscore mesh. That's what we want. That should work. We're gonna print it. Damn. Why doesn't that work? Why can't I access that? Now it works. Because it is a mesh instance. That's what it's getting. It's getting this reference, right? Oh, wait a second. Damn. That's why I moved it. That's why. Yep, that's why. Box mesh. Booyah. Okay. So now what? Now we want to does this work? Can I just bring this over here? Okay, so that does work. So this stuff is run during. Okay, so what we want to do is during the process, we want to have the bar we want that to be a mesh. And so what we want to do is we want to do this, Control C, Control V. And then in here, this. So in here, we need to edit that mesh. So can we do... What does set mesh do? That's my question. I guess it just sets it so we can just do like damn. Can I do box type how the hell do I get that? How do I get this? So we have that, right? Can I edit it? I would like to edit this. Oh, it's a box mesh. So can I do like... Yeah, here we go. That's just size. Center square size. Yeah. It should work. Yeah, that works. And I can also do can we try that? That's still not working, hey? It's in the process. What the hell? How do I access this? So that's the type, right? So what is this frick, dude? So mesh instance, right? When a mesh has to be instantiated, use an instance of a signal mesh in many places. Okay, so we get the mesh, right? So that is a mesh. Virtual constant. We want to get. How the hell do we change? Because this looks like. And this is inherited by a primitive mesh. So what's a primitive mesh? Handles applying material. Can I put in an if instance? Let's just go to killbox here. Preloading internal resources is not supported. Bruh. Mesh. Hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna have to resort to Google. Bruh. Size of a just too basic. Setting size of a mesh with code. This is 5 years ago. Roblox. That's great. I gotta put godot. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, okay. This looks really complicated. I just want to change the simple. I just want to have access to a property, dude. I guess maybe the right word is to edit Um, Here we go. What was this? In 2019. Yikes. April 2nd of this year. Bro. To access There we go. Linked. Three 3.1. This is old. So what do I need an instance that? But I don't want it. That's gonna affect all of it. Damn it. So I have to. What I'm gonna probably have to do is in here. I will need to. So I'm accessing this, but it doesn't give me access to this, right? Because we're looking at the resource. It's a built-in path. Bruh. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh yeah. Is it like control K? Yeah, yeah, I remember. Okay. So what we want to do is I want to print collision dot shape. Oh. Just put a little pass right here. Box shape 3D. Okay. That's a property. can we access? I think it's gonna be the same issue, isn't it? Okay, so it's collision dot shape dot shape basis get gizmos scale. Can you get size? No. Shape dot disabled. Clearly that's not here. Shape 3D object. Okay. It looks like everything is there. Custom solver bias and margin. But the size. Why can't I access the size property? It says it's property, but it doesn't list it here. Why? I guess we'll need to go here. And then that'll have the size. And it's a shape 3D, right? But it's going to be box shape. So we should be able to access size. We should be able to if it is if it is because this could be a 3D, right? Because this is a shape 3D. But there's going to be a thing on top of that. All right. So we should be able to do dot set underscore size. And that's not going to work because it doesn't know if this shape is a box shape. And then that's going to be equal to size. Right? Right? Yeah. Okay. So and maybe we want to do that here. Will that work? Freaking let's go, dude. Okay, so that's the collision. I want that to affect the mesh though. So we're getting somewhere. So we need this yeah, underscore mesh. Dot mesh. Right? And so that mesh is is inherited by primitive mesh, which is inherited by box mesh. And then we can do it there. So this should work. We just have to use the setter. So maybe we can do that. And I think what I was doing was I wasn't. Oh my gosh. I mean, so. Dot set size. It's that simple. I'm just a moron. That's all. Okay. We don't need this to be editable anymore. Good. So now we can do this. I don't know why it's not transparent. This. Do not cast shadow. Whoa, wait a second. Oh, it's because I edited it here. Why is that still not updating? Oh. Excuse me? There we go. Save. Here. Yeah, and then this is instanced. Frick. It's it's editing them. It's 100 100. Put this to 1 and 1. This will also be set to 1 and 1. So in here, it's 1 and 1. Set here to size 100. And 100. You can set it here. No, it doesn't. But it doesn't set it there. Why? All right. Very strange behavior. This should still be 1 by 1. Okay, good. Very strange, but it looks like it is working. And it looks like it is transparent. It's just, it's not transparent here because there's nothing under it. Very cool. So, I wish you could add gizmos on here. So Z does not need to be that tall. X does need to be much bigger. This is still 100 by 100. Okay, good. Okay, this can probably be like 180. Yeah. Learning. I now know how to use those tools properly. Bruh. So this is going to have to be a bit longer. Let's put 200 again. Oh, it's doing both of them? Oh, because it's duplicating them. Oh, it's a child. Why is it a child? It should not be a child. Hmm? Why isn't that working? What the hell? It's not working. Why? Why isn't it working? Copy and paste is not... That doesn't make sense. Why are these two linked? I would like to make a new instance of it. Can I instantiate child scene? Both being affected. How do I make it so that it's per instance, right? Do I have to like make it unique or something? All right. How are we doing? Is anyone made any chats that I missed? No. Okay, good. Hmm. Very strange. Mode inherit. What does this mean? Okay. Very interesting. killbox 2. So if I make this 100, it's going to make them both 100, right? Yeah, that's stupid. I want each one to be unique. Okay, new. Interesting. Okay. So it is the local to scene. So where is that button? Do I have to edit that in the scene? Do I have to go like, oh, make local? Bro. That's really stupid. So now if I did this, it's still not. Oh, it doesn't make sense. Bruh. That's not helpful. Ah, and the resource. I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see, I see. I understand. So these, I'm lost. Where's my local to scene? Wait, wait, wait. Where is he doing that? Resource. So it's in here. Local to scene. True. True. Okay, save. So then here, if I do 200, yeah, okay. Put in another one. I put 200. 200. Now it works. Gotcha. Oh, I know it would be nice to just add the draggable stuff. I don't know how exactly you would do that, but I didn't even, I'm realizing I didn't even want to work on this today. I realized that I actually wanted to learn more about Blender. That's funny. Um, one. Oh, we want this to be 1. We want this to be 50. We want this to be 200. It doesn't need to be 200. It can be 180. There we go. Same as with this guy. This guy can be 182. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, and killbox. We don't want to print the collision shape anymore. What we want to do, I'm going to go here, and we want to do if not this, if not this. Oh, and I want to tab that guy in. Oh yeah. Bro, that's a long load. Okay, they're not there. Okay, that's good. He was sneaking up on me. Okay, so if I don't need all those, what don't I need here? Collision and mesh. Now it should be visible. Oh, bruh. Less. Should still be. Why are they so small? Oh, I see. What's happening is that this is only being applied inside there. So we want to do this. And I guess this. Yeah, okay, now they're there. It's been applied. Very good. And it should kill me, right? And then after this, I want to. Yep, dead. Okay, good. I'm just now thinking, I guess I could just make that a setting. And then that'll be a singleton. So I'm thinking. I want to be able to toggle that. I want to be able to toggle seeing um, killboxes in other detection shapes. And I know there's I guess that's just colliders, hey. Yeah, because if I set colliders to true, I'll be able to see them either way. I guess I could even make it more complicated where I could say if I want it to be more I guess, all right, what I'm saying is that it's not necessary. This is not necessary to have the red box. Because, like, if I just turn on, like, show colliders in the debug menu here, visible collision shapes, it'll show that shape. The reason why, yeah, I think I already explained why I wanted to actually give it an actual color and everything. It's because it's much easier to see and hear than. Oh, origin. Cool. Um, I guess what I could do is I could copy and paste this guy. Let's see. Control B. And now it's gonna be really loud. Chip attack. Very cool. All right, so I figured that out. Learning, learning something. Okay, what were these things again? Unreachable code statement. Unreachable statement. Oh, it's just because pass. Put this, make this underscore. And then that's not me. I don't know how to make that not happen. All right, awesome. So I guess let's write down our progress here. level design. Ugh. Prototype. I guess this should be I want a shift end, and then yeah, there we go. Started level 1 prototype. Physics, make effects, blah, blah. Make generic props for level design. I don't know. Platforms. I guess railing. So I got terrain prototype. I got the rock platforms. Guess what I did was learn how to, what did I just do today? Learn how to make the variables bars effect nodes live inside the editor. Booyah. You know what? I'm dumb. I'm realizing now that this should be dependent on this. Yeah, see, like I'm holding control, and that's how you would identify that that its IntelliSense is actually working, but it's not identifying the set. Oh well. I don't know if it's annoying that I keep the pass line there. I feel like it's a, because I'm still, the one thing I really like about like C and like all the older lower level languages is that like you have the brackets to define where things start and end. With Python and GDScript, I don't know. Like I know that this denotes an empty line denotes the end of a function, or the tab, I guess. Um, I still like having that pass to denote that, hey, this is done. There's probably a better way of doing that, but whatever. Okay, I'm getting FPS. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so I guess this will be inside player, hey? It's just whatever. Game UI, in-game menu, game UI. I need to see the game UI. Here. Okay, so we got health. That's it. Wonderful. I'm going to also add a label. And it's going to be anchored. Freaking out layout. Anchors. Top right. And oh boy. I'm just cross FPS. Boom. We're gonna make this a little bit bigger. Is there a size? Transform. Okay. 60 by 30 sounds right. Table settings. Outline, please. I also figured out what the system. You have to click on it, and then font names right here, and then you can add element, and then you can add a. Just do Arial. Super easy. Because then you can have an array of. Oops. Seems good. All right, and so now game UI. I need this. I need that reference. We're gonna call this FPS counter. How in the hell do I do this? It's gonna be in process. It's gonna have to do with delta. Is there like a get? FPS. FP. I do global dot yet. Okay, mm, I just look up frame rate. Bruh. What the hell? I do FPS. All right. Engine. Oh, of course. Get frames per second. I guess I should have just put frames per second. Get frames per second. It's a float. Um, Hopefully that's not like excessive. Uh-oh. Oh, I got it. Do spring. Oop. Excuse me? It's STR, isn't it? It's a 2 STR. I think I did this before already. It's not. There's 2. Yeah, okay. I gotta remember that one, man. Alright. Let's just do our normal. Oh boy. Looks like we're locked. 60 frames per second. Can I... Is it VSync? I have no idea. What's advanced settings? Energy saving stretch, DPI, VSync, iOS, who cares? Video. No, it's for audio. Max FPS. So what if it's 0? Means no limit. So what, do I just have to turn off desync then? Let's look at this. Okay. What does adaptive do? Oh, I guess you gotta... Yeah, how do you, like... I would like to access, because like they highlight it. Display over. Yeah, VSync mode. This property. Methods. Feature. Screen orientation. Cursor shape. Window mode? That's window mode. VSync mode. Here we go. No vertical synchronization, which means the engine will display frames as fast as possible. Tearing may be visible. Frame rate is unlimited. Not a refresh rate, regardless of engine max FPS. Adaptive. Behaves like VSync disabled when frame rate. Let's just turn it off. Let's turn off VSync. All right. So let's see how many frames. 9. 78. Okay. Okay, so it's maybe that's my laptop. I'm not sure if that's the engine. Alright. That's fine. And what about this guy? This would be better or worse? Probably worse. 48, 60, 59. Okay, what about over here? Lower than 60 frames per second, which is just gross. Well, we did that. I'm gonna go adaptive, I guess. Alright. Save all. Control Shift Alt S. I gotta remember that one. Okay, add SVS counter. Done. What time is it? How long have we been going for? Only 2.5 hours. Man, it feels like it's been forever. What the? Ooh, ooh. Alright, next time I want to get back on Blender and learn that because that's gonna. Like, yeah, making all the building blocks is fun, but you know, it's you can only get so far. Clean up. All right. I like how it's blue to tell you that it's a tool. Okay. Those all. There's probably like probably better to just simplify, not make like really complicated terrain, maybe. And then like just use classic walls instead of something like this. Anyway. Good stream. Bye bye.